What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our thin Ethereum. Beautiful bounce off our target zone. Currently sitting at 1671, up 9.2 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 198 billion. 24-hour volume 27.63 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're gonna start here on the 4-hour time frame. It perfectly bounced off the 0.382 right off our target zone for a wave 4 pullback. And technically we've come up and broke this high, so the wave 5 can end at any time, but to measure your wave 5, what you can do is take your trend based fib extension from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3 down to the bottom of wave 4, and you're looking for a 618 extension. So we're at least looking for about 1750 to complete a wave 5. Of course it can overextend, and it can also end anywhere after it breaks the wave 3 high, but 1750 is your target zone. So we'll drop in a little box here, right around 1750 for a potential wave 5. Now if we complete this wave 5, what we're going to be looking for is a large wave 2 retracement, and to measure that you can go from the bottom of wave 1 all the way up to the top. Just going to take this Fibonacci out quickly here so it's not so distracting, and what you're looking for is a pullback in between the 0.5, the 0.618, sometimes the 0.786. So that would be in between about 1000 and about 1210. So there's lots of time to get in. If this were to be the true bottom, I don't think it's the likely scenario, but there's lots of time to get in on that wave 2 pullback and potentially ride up the rest of the bull run, as obviously the wave 3 would be quite large. But in my opinion, we could still be going through a wave 4 pullback, looking for a final wave 5, come down and break this low. In my opinion, I do think we're just going through a relief rally, something like what we saw right here. We came down, we had a relief rally, and then we broke lower. So we came down, we had a small relief rally right here. This could potentially be the bottom, but personally I think there's one more wave down in the market. So we've come back, and the way to invalidate this is to come up and reach the 618 about 2151. Would invalidate it as a wave 4, and especially if we break into this wave 1 low, then this would be the bottom for ETH, but I don't think it's the likely scenario, as I've been mentioning here on the channel. Now if we look at Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame, your next resistance to watch, you can see where I've dropped in this purple box. See the support in this area? It's coming in about 1764. If we scroll back here, you are going to see some support and resistance in that area. Look at this, is a major level. 1750, support here, support right here, support in this area, support in this area. So absolutely massive level for Ethereum at about 1750. So that is something to keep an eye on. We broke down from this triple top. We came down, we met the target, and we bounced right back up. So that's your next major level of resistance, and then your next major level after that is coming in at about 1951. So it's been playing out to a T with our Elliott wave structure. We completed a 5-wave move. To complete our wave 3, we saw our wave 4 pullback, came right down to our yellow box, and we started to bounce. So look for a potential wave 5 to take you up here. What was the target? Let me measure it one more time. I'm just going to take this Fibonacci out. Hope everybody's doing well, and hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. So bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3, down to the bottom of wave 4, looking for a 618 extension at about 1760 for a potential wave 5. And that can complete a much larger wave 1, and then potentially we'd be looking at a large wave 2 pullback. All right, guys, wave 5 can be overextended, so just keep that in mind, and it can end anywhere above the wave 3. So technically we have already broke above the wave 3. I would expect a little bit of more push, but you do have to keep in mind that we could potentially put in a large double top pattern, and that could bring ETH all the way back down to waves from playing out. But if it came down and broke the neckline, could take Ethereum basically all the way back down here to about 1,100. So just something to keep in mind. If you see it start to consolidate, we have to watch for a potential double top pattern. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Until the end of the month, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits of the $10 membership. You can see the members' profits, how they're doing with the trades here. Some of them are absolutely crushing it with their own trades as well. And recently we're making some juicy profits on our Matic trade. Recently made a juicy short call on Ethereum, and recently locked in some juicy gains on Gala Games. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades, if you want to see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays and also 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. $10 a month till the end of the month. You can stay in at $10 for as long as you wish, as long as you don't exit. It's going to be bumped up to $25 at the end of the month. All right, guys. If you want to trade with me, check out my full-length tutorial over on Bybit. That's my favorite exchange for trading. $4,500 in bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.